Every October, the Suwannee Roots Revival transforms Live Oaks, Florida, into a haven for roots music lovers. This multi-day festival, held at the Spirit of the Suwannee Music Park, celebrates a variety of traditional American musical styles with a focus on bluegrass. Picture yourself surrounded by the Spanish moss-draped oaks and cypress trees that line the Suwannee River. The festival fills this scenic setting with lively music throughout the weekend. A stellar lineup features established and up-and-coming bluegrass artists, along with performers from other roots genres like Americana and folk. Beyond the main stage, the Suwannee Roots Revival offers a variety of activities for the whole family. Camping allows you to fully immerse yourself in the festival atmosphere, while workshops and demonstrations provide opportunities to learn more about the music and instruments. Local vendors tempt your taste buds with delicious food and handcrafted goods, adding to the overall experience. Whether you're a longtime roots music enthusiast or simply looking for a fun fall getaway with great music in a beautiful setting, the Suwannee Roots Revival guarantees a memorable experience. So pack your dancing shoes, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to be swept away by the sounds of tradition under the Florida sky. Check the official website for dates and details. Please keep in mind this platform is all about creating positive festival experiences, so if you're a seasoned festival goer with insider tips for the upcoming festival, please share your comments. By sharing information, we can create a fantastic festival experience for everyone. Be sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Pro Festival Finder so we can help you ditch the FOMO and find your festival mojo. Let's make the world a better place, one festival at a time. Thanks for being a part of the Pro Festival Finder community. If you love this festival, please give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to make sure you never miss out on incredible festival experiences. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Pro Festival Finder so we can help you ditch the FOMO and find your festival mojo. Also, be sure to leave a comment on Insider Tips and let us know what you're looking forward to most at this festival. Let's make the world a better place, one festival at a time, and thanks for being part of the Pro Festival Finder community.